Hello po. So here is the after effect of the Kuya face mask. Ito siya. The after effect, ito siya. If you put it on overnight, this is what happened. Shiny, shiny siya. Ayan. So it's time to remove it. So I use this Kuya twice a week. But if I need more, you can use it 3 times a week. And if you want to go to the party also, you can do that day also if you want. So, no limit. It's up to you. Pero kung gusto niyo makatipid, twice a week. But, you know what? It's really, really nice. So, ito na po siya. Let's remove it. It's just easy. That's how it feels. It feels so easy. Ayan. You see it? It closes your pores. Maganda siya. And then I get rid of all your blemishes, dark spot. I have a dark spot here before, very dark. Nawala po siya, oh. Ayan, nawala siya. So, I've been using this already. I think this is my 3rd tube that I use. Ayan po siya. Very easy lang. Ayan. After I put all my serum, after cleaning your face, you put your serum, your moisturizer, then I put this on. That's my routine every time. So there it is. Pag may mga excess na ganyan, just use the wet cloth. So here it is. See, nagki-clear siya. You see that? Yung nagki-clear siya. It's really nice. Kini-clear niya yung mukha mo. Very nice. So what I don't use sometimes I use the cloth, but what I use is I use this Medicube. This Medicube I use. So I use this to wipe my face off. Ganyan po siya. You just wipe it off. Para matanggal yung mga niya. Mga naiwan na bakas. Diba? Bakas. Ayan lang po. Ganyan lang. That's how I do it. There you go. See? May bakas. So this one also is really good. This is really good. This Medicube, you have to have it in your routine. As me, I'm 52, going to 53. And look, diba? Mukha ba akong 50s? Hindi, diba? Sabi ganun. Sinasabi ko to kasi may mga iba, akala nila I'm just on my 30s. Meron kasing iba dyan na pagkakatabi mo, ang tanda nalang tignan. Akala nila mas bata ako sa kanila. Or, same age. But no, I'm 52. Turning to 53 this year. And look naman. Ito lang sekreto ko, guys. This is it. So, you must try this. And, one more thing. After I do that, nag-vlog na ako, After I do that, I fan myself. I fan para ma-absorb yung mga ma-absorb yung product. And then next is Mixon. Oh my god, this is really, really good. Mixon is really good, guys. I'll show you. I put 2. Tingnan nyo, ha? Oh, kita nyo yan? Oh, hindi ito madikit. This is what I do. Very easy. Hindi siya madikit. I put a lot on my, well, not a lot. I just put it for my neck. Kasi before, I have this problem na yung neck ko, pag gumanon ka, yung para siyang kurot. But since I use this, gumanda na siya, hindi na ano yung neck ko, hindi na siya looking old and stuff. So just like that, guys. So you must have this in your face routine is mixing. Next, guys, ito ang maganda. This is also Kuya. Ay, ang ganda niya nito, guys. Sobra, naku po. Pangatlo ko na ata itong gamit. Ayan, oh, gel. It's a gel. Meron siyang scoop na nakasama. But I don't use the scoop because sometimes yung kamay ko, parang hindi ko siya na-measure. So, ito lang ginagawa ko. Ayan. Ganyan lang, guys. And then, I put some on my neck. Again, of course, kasama sa neck ang paglilinis. Ayan. Ganyan lang po. Ayan. And then, if you wanna massage your face, ganito lang ginagawa ko sa dito sa eye bag. Ganyan lang. If you have time, mga 1-3 minutes, mga at least 3 minutes. Pag may time kayo. Pero pagka wala, when I go to work, I make sure I do it for like a minute. Nagbibilang ganyan. Or kung kaya naman, pag nasa trabaho na ako, I'm still massaging it. Para mawala lang yung eye bags nyo. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang siya. Ito lang routine ko everyday. Ganyan. And that's it. And of course, before everything else, once you're done on your serum and moisturizer, guys, never, ever forget to put sunscreen. Ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Sunscreen, okay? O, diba? Tignan nyo naman, o, nag-glow na ako. Yan palang nilagay ko. Wala pang ka-makeup yan, ha? Nag-glow na ako. O, ano pa kaya pag may makeup? O, pack. Ito po, ang aking sunscreen. This is Zero Anwa. Is Anwa Zero Moisturizing Finish Sunscreen. Ano siya? Korean siya. It's 50 SPF. Ito, paubos na nga pala. Kailangan ko nang mag-order. And all of the product, guys, I buy this at Amazon. I don't know if you have it in the Philippines. Pero sa mga nasa state po, ibang bansa, merong Amazon. So, doon ko binibili yung ito. Maganda rin. I mean, you guys can try it. Kasi kung di naman hiyang ninyo, you can return the product. Basta eligible siyang i-return. Pwede naman. There you go. This is what I do. And then, when I at work or wherever I go, I always have this, especially now it's summer. Always put sunscreen in your face. Maganda po siya. Hindi siya malagkit. Promise. Try this to have in your routine. Okay? Ang ganda niya. Korean po siya. 50 SPF. Ayan, no? 50. O, diba? O, ayan, o. Ayan lang po. Yan ang aking routine, o. Hindi siya hindi siya malagkit o ma-oily. Hindi. Maganda po siya. Ayan. So, yan lang po ang aking routine. Ayan. O, sige na nga. Ituloy na natin. Ayan, ha. Kasi medyo mahaba-haba na, eh. Kasi may mga iba na ayaw nila ng mahaba. Pero, ituloy na natin. Bahala na. Ito, dermatology. I use this. Ito, you probably already seen this already. Somewhere else. Nag-viral to ata one time. Dermatology. Ginagamit ko rin siya, guys. So, ganyan siya. Para lang siyang, meron din tong SPF. I use there. Pag feel ko lang, But whatever you see earlier, that's what I do. So I use this one. I just put a little. Kasi ayoko nung maraming ano sa mukha, yung mga makeup. I don't use makeup at all. Yung talagang mga makeup na makakapal dyan. I don't use. Ito lang, ano ko. Kasi light lang siya. Para it turn into like powder or something. Ayan. And same thing. Amazon ko lang din siya binili, guys. So, ano pa ba ang kulang natin? That's it, guys. So, that is my facial routine. Okay, guys. So, this is it. Ayan ang aking routine. As you can see, ano siya, glossy, diba? Hindi naman siya glossy na yung oily, no. Ang ganda niyang tignan. So, that is my facial routine, guys. If you wanna buy all the items, I just got it. I just got all of them in Amazon. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Ciao, everybody. God bless.